Well, isn't this just a bad crew right here? Alright, so we've got our blue tick pocket beagle on the end. He's looking for a new home. He's calling for his new family. And we've got, oh man. Oh, that's Paisley's little girl that's going home today. There she goes. She's not very big. She's the size of the beagles. And then we've got Paddy on the end. We got a bluetick over here that's available. She's just a 4-month pup. She's got a good voice. She's been climbing though, so we moved her with these guys. Oh man. And we've got Shanny. Hi, Shanny. Paddy. And Hope is going home today. Blue tick boys available. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at this bunch of crazy monkeys. I've got to grab Hope, but I'm going to wait for Brian to come and help me. I'll distract him and he can grab her. Because they'll all be out on me for sure. Oh, little stinker. I hope she's not going to start climbing out of there. Oh, that's the red bone that's howling. Oh my goodness. Here comes Brian. They're all quiet when they hear the bike come. Okay, maybe not.